Hey guys, coming back at you again with another bike check because I pretty much got a completely different setup. So yeah, I'm still running a Sunday frame because it's pretty much all I could find, but it's not even that bad. Pretty much suited to my height. Anyways, so starting out with grips, I'm still running Federal Contacts with Odyssey par ends. I got new Verde Regent bars. Are they the Regent? Yeah, they're the Sky version, so they're 10-inch rise. Running a Fit stem. This is one of the older models, so I'm pretty sure this is from 2010 if I'm not mistaken. The forks I'm not super sure on, but it's it's either they're Fit, but I'm most likely sure they're either the shiv or the blade, or they're just stock Fit in general. Either way, it's not that bad. For the frame, I got Jake Seeley's 2013 Sunday Broadcaster frame in Emergency Red, limited edition color. For cranks, stock cranks off of the Sunday Broadcaster. Stock bottom bracket, stock headset, the works pretty much. Odyssey Principal seat, not that bad actually. Honestly, I just started riding this today since we got a bit of snow, kind of cleared out. It's been 50 today, but pedals, Odyssey Twisted PCs. Probably not one of my favorite pedals, but they'll do. Seat post clamp, Sunday. Seat post, probably stock Sunday. Let's see here. For the tires, we got a Fit FAF. Pretty sure that's the 2.30 because it doesn't have the knobs. The front, for the back, I'm not sure on the size. Here, hold up a minute. Let me check this out. Okay. A 2.25 Odyssey Atkin tire. Not that bad. I like the Atkins. Okay, period. For rims, I got Odyssey Quadrants. The front one's laced to Odyssey Vandero. The back one's laced to a Sunday Storm Hub. Hold on a minute. I'll bring the bike around and do the rest of the juicy details, man. Okay, coming around here. We got looks to be a KMC full link chain with a Sunday Sabertooth sprocket. Not that bad actually. Everything spins super smoothly, so I'm pretty happy about that. There was actually a kid in the next town over that straight up rawed one of these frames. But then again, no bashing on new starting out people, but if you literally don't know your stuff and you're gonna raw, a bonus bike from Sunday, that's kind of sad. It was, a prime, it was pretty much in prime condition too, but whatever. Not only that, but a lot of the kids from that town are complete posers, in my opinion, except for a few, but, yeah, so that's, pretty much my bike at the moment. Soon here, I may be getting Total Hangover cranks in chrome, 170mm, and do a video on that one if I do get them. And for the back hub, I may be getting a Primo Remix, because why not? It's not even that bad. I like it. It's a pretty nice hub. And I think that probably would be it, besides maybe tires, which I'm most likely going to go with Odyssey or something else along those lines. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Sorry I haven't been really posting, but, yeah. See ya.